Adventure Kings awnings are the ultimate summer upgrade for any camper or four-wheel driver. They're so quick to set up and they provide so much easy, instant shelter that you'll find yourself using yours every time you pull up, whether it's for lunch, at the park with the kids, for an overnight camp or for an extended stay. They have the highest possible UPF sun protection rating available, which means they're perfect for stopping sunburn on those hot days. Plus, they're 100% waterproof to keep you dry if the skies open up. There's a huge range of genuine accessories available: awning walls, mesh floors, and even fully enclosed Midgie and Mozzie-proof mesh rooms and camping tents that turn your awning into a fully enclosed tent. With a full DIY fitting kit supplied with each awning and 4 different sizes available to suit wagons, utes, and even rear mounting, Adventure Kings awnings are around half the price of most competing awnings without compromising on quality one bit. Camp like a king this summer with an Adventure Kings awning and genuine awning accessories.